Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to February 2025's market update. It is already the 12th of February. Valentine's Day is on Friday. Rob, I hope you've got me something nice. Rob, let's get straight into it this time. We've just come through our busy January launch market. It was great. It was good fun.
Yeah,
We sold a load of houses. We put a load of houses on the market. We had some really busy Saturdays with 6 and 7 of us out viewing at the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays. So we had a really great time. Results wise, though, what really matters, Rob, how do we get on?
very well. I mean, we could always have more. Would be lovely, but on the whole, I think the January market started off particularly well. I think the first week of January, people were finding their feet a little bit, but by the 10th, 11th, we were in full swing. I'm glad to get my weekends back finally, but it was certainly worthwhile investing all that extra time into making ourselves available for our clients over several weekends with many open days. But on the whole, very good. Better figures than expected, taking into account the news in 2024.
Lovely stuff. Well, I saw an email from Rightmove just sort of giving us our update and our snap of what January looked like for us as a business. And I think we had a very good month with regard to listings. We listed 30 plus homes, and a lot of them got offers and are going under offer if they did not go under offer.
Absolutely.
One of the themes, Rob, from that month, January, was stamp duty. First-time buyers trying to get into vacant freehold homes before the end of March cut-off for first-time buyers stamp duty relief. I think we've probably, if you are looking today as a first-time buyer, I think we've probably missed that boat.
Yeah.
But some really positive news today, Rob, on the high street lenders front. Did you have any ideas or comments about that?
Well, we've seen a couple of main players in the marketplace making noises of fairly significant reductions. Watch this space. We could well see mortgage rates for the first time drop below 4%. Which I think will entice an awful lot of activity. The first time buyer stamp duty window, as you quite rightly said, I think with all the goodwill in the world, deals that have been put together now, possibly a little bit ambitious, not impossible, but possibly a bit ambitious to get the benefit of the stamp duty. But on the whole, I think with mortgage rates really starting to settle down, as I say, later this week, we'll probably have some fairly significant news on that. I can see a resurgence in activity again, just helping maintain that momentum that started off in 2025.
Yeah, I totally agree, Rob. I do think, when we've got pound and pence lender changes, which, will displace possibly not, but, help people get over that stamp duty lump. It's, in our opinion, as industry, I guess it's quite well timed. Rob, February started off, we've done quite a few valuations. Obviously, we'd love to do some more. We've got a free diary over the next week or so. We've got a few valuations in, but is the appetite for getting to market still there?
I think there's a lot of curiosity at the moment. We're going out. Valuation numbers, I would say, are probably a little bit off pace in relation to January. January was a particularly busy start to the year, but I think with regards to quality of instructions coming through, clients that are making commitments to come to market as the weeks roll on, we should see some fairly decent numbers of new listings coming to market. What we do have though is still a continued shortage. I think we have been a little bit victims of our own success during the month of January, where we've had a large volume of buyer activity, a very good supply of mixture of housing stock coming to market. But with the uptake being so good, we now need to rebuild and encourage clients to get properties valued with a view of listing as soon as they can. I don't think there's much an advantage point waiting for the traditional spring market of Easter. Activity is there, it's healthy, mortgage rates look good, the base rate's going in the right direction. And I think if you have a decent home to sell in a decent location, there are plenty of buyers that we can talk to.
Rob, that's great, and I absolutely mirror your comments there. I think the seasonality in marketplace is still there, but is very much governed by pound and pence in a time in which we've gone through a cost of living crisis and we've seen interest rates at highs, and I think we started to see petrol prices go up again, Rob, which is not being particularly welcomed by us all. But I think in general, as far as our market around us goes, it's pretty positive news. We had a great January. Looking forward to March, the Easter Bunny, Easter, all those overindulgences, and hopefully a bit of better weather. Rob, thank you so very much for your time today. I look forward to speaking to you in March. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.